Welcome to All RC Action. This is a quick review of the new DeWalt SHOPBOX. It's not that big. It's 15 by 10 by 13. It's got two latches that have a key that lock. Props open automatically. It's got some hinges here. You can pop open. It's hard to do one-handed. Look at that. Okay, now it's open. And it's open now. And you can see what's in there. You got plenty of room in there. I like to use it for the upcoming season for the low-C NASCAR races. You can put your radio in. You can put some screwdrivers in. I like to put the batteries in here. You can put your charger down here. Put some spare tires in here. Put your wrench if you want. And you can have all your stuff in there. Can't fit the car in there. That would be nice, but you can put the rest of your RC tools in there. And it's magnetic, so if you got one of these lights here, just click it on, and you got a little pit light there. I think it does the job. Take all these stickers off, all these manufacturer stickers, and it'll be ready. Thanks for watching.